What's up everyone, and welcome to today's step-by-step lesson as we learn how to draw a Minecraft skeleton. For this lesson, we'll need some plain white paper and something to draw with. I'll be using this fine-tip Sharpie marker. It's great for confident outlines and bold shapes. Now if you don't have one, any permanent marker with a steady flow will do. Let's begin by drawing a square in the center of our page for the head. We're going to start on the top left side. Draw a straight line going all the way across. Now I want to draw that same length line coming down the side. So we'll start with the left, coming all the way down towards the bottom. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom with another straight line. Now we're going to turn this square into a three-dimensional cube. So from the top corners, let's angle this up and in with a short line, going across the top of the head, and then we'll flatten this off across the back. Let's go to the center of our cube and draw the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. Now on the inside, we're going to bend the brow coming in and then up towards the top. Let's draw the outside of the eyes. From the left, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down, and curve the bottom of the eye coming down and then up towards the inside. Let's move to the center and draw the nose. We're going to start with two short lines side by side. From the top, let's bend this out towards the left and right, and then we'll flatten off the bottom. Let's fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Now we're also going to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now along the bottom, we're going to draw a series of small curves going across for the teeth. Let's start on the left, coming down and up. And it's going to repeat this all the way across towards the right. From each of these points, we draw a small line going up across the teeth. You can angle these up and then out. And then from the top of each line, we're going to curve the teeth going up and then out. Let's leave a gap and continue over towards the right. Let's move to the center and draw on the spine. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the hip, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to draw a straight line going across the top of the hips, flatten off the ends, and then flatten off the bottom. Let's draw a series of lines coming down the spine, starting from the top. And then we'll add in the rib cage, stepping out to the side, going out, and going all the way back up towards the head. Let's separate the ribs into three equal parts. We're going to start on the top left, draw a straight line coming in, continue towards the right, and leave a small gap and draw that again. Let's go to the bottom, draw another set of lines going out towards the side. Now we're going to go back to the center, draw two more lines coming down, close this off with a straight line. Now from the bottom corners, we're going to bend the legs, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet. And we're going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg, going out and then bend that down towards the bottom. From the inside corner of the legs, angles up and in. And then we'll follow this curve going up and then in towards the center. Now I'm going to split the leg in half with a straight line on either side, and I'll just angle it up and in towards the back. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start from the side of the rib cage, angle this up and then out across the top of the arms. For the inside, bend the arm going out and then down. Let's draw that same angled line going across the bottom, and I'll close the outside of the arms with that same curve. Let's go back to the top of the arms, draw a straight angle line coming in towards the body. And then from that bottom point, draw a short line coming in, and I'll follow this curve coming in towards the side. Now we're also going to split the arm in half, coming down with an angled line, and we'll pull that straight in towards the back. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and there we have it. There's a drawing of a Minecraft skeleton. If you found today's lesson helpful, give it a like and share it with someone else who's also learning how to draw. You can find more step-by-step lessons in the Minecraft playlist link below, or explore other topics across this channel. I want to thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.